Hey guys, it's me, Cloud, and I'm really excited to show you my newest creation. So, about a month ago, Builder Creations, Rainbow Brick, and I all teamed up to do a collaboration. That happened on November 1st. About a month later, now on December 5th, I'm here to show you the creation. We decided to go for a Dave & Buster's theme. I was in charge of making the arcade games, Rainbow Brick did the ticket redemption, and Builder Creations was responsible for the food. So when I was first prompted with arcade games, I instantly went to their iconic claw machine. At Dave & Buster's, they usually have a giant claw machine filled with mega prizes. If you don't know what a Dave & Buster's is, or you don't have them in your country, it's basically a giant restaurant that also has a giant arcade inside of it. So it's food and ticket games. So when I was first thinking about how to do the actual claw machine, I looked at this mini arcade game that I had from a few years ago. It's kind of beat up and I had to take it apart, but this concept is still there. So it uses 2 strings instead of 1, which is pretty new. And by using 2 strings, it only needs 1 motor. So when this string is lifted up or down, that actually moves the entire claw, while this one is responsible for opening and shutting it. So when they both move together, it goes up or down. But because of the way gear ratios work and how you can offset them, of course, it makes it where when it goes down, it can go down open, and when it shuts, this one could still continue to go. And then when it goes up, because they are both then being pulled, it could bring it up shut. So after I got the fundamentals of the claw machine down, I could start building it. And once it was built, then there was really 2 things left. Another game, and coin rejection / exception, along with the tickets. Alright, that's enough of me just talking. Let's see the actual machine. The machine needs 1 quarter to play, so before that, both options are locked. Along with both options being locked, the claw cannot move into the prize area. And the wheel is not spinning and the button does nothing. The goal is to pick up as many tickets as you can. You get multiple attempts, but once you bring it over to the prize chute, the game locks, meaning that you only have 1 grab that you can actually cash in for tickets. This sensor detects when the carriage of the claw machine moves past it, locking the spur. When you pay and select the game, it unlocks, allowing it to travel across. But once it goes back, it once again locks. As you saw earlier, this motor powers the two wheels. One here, and the one on the other side. These two back wheels spin freely. And this motor back here, attached to a rubber band, spins it and goes up and down. Here you can see a little better how it goes up and down. It almost looks like a combination lock. The combination lock part allows it to only go down once it is already open. As you can see here, that is it unwinding the string to open it. And then once it engages with the gray peg, it then goes down. Same thing with it going up. That's it closing. And then once it continues, it hits that gray peg again, but the other direction, so that it makes it go up. The two control buttons are just attached to this simple Mindstorms remote.